Hi, welcome to Knit with Hannah. I'm Hannah. Today I've got a video for you all about SSK. Hi, welcome to Knit with Hannah. I'm Hannah. I'm here with Knitting Natter to help you learn to knit the easy way. Welcome. We are talking SSK today. Yes, more knitting abbreviations, more knitting jargon that can frustrate you in the middle of a row. What does that mean? I don't understand it. So let's get that sorted, shall we? I have a demo for you all about SSK. And do stick around to the end because I'm going to let you know how you can find all of the jargon you need all in one place. So let's knit SSK. And SSK is an abbreviation that in many ways replicates the SKPO, and I hadn't come across SSK until about 10 years ago. 10 years ago I pretty much first came across American written patterns. I'd been using UK patterns all my life and I was only really familiar with the abbreviations you find in British patterns. So as soon as I saw SSK I had no idea what it meant. Once I discovered what it did mean, I realised that I prefer it to SKPO. It achieves the same effect, but I find it's neater. So just take a look at what I'm about to do and I'll show you, and you can decide for yourself whether you prefer it to SKPO or whether you want to carry on and switching between whatever it says in the pattern. So SSK is slip, slip, knit, which means that you do this. You slip one stitch and you slip it knitwise as if you're about to knit it. So we've slipped one, we're going to slip another one, and then we knit them together. And we do that, they're already on the right hand needle, so you think, how on earth can I knit them? They're already knitted almost, as if they're on the right hand needle. But we put the left hand needle into the front of both of those stitches and we knit them together. Just imagine that it's normally a normal stitch on a needle. You move the yarn around the back, pull the loop through and drop them both off of the left hand needle. There you go, it's that simple. So let me do that one more time. You slip one, you slip two, you push the left hand needle into the front of those stitches. So it looks like you're just knitting a stitch because that stitches are there and the yarn goes around the back, pull the loop through and you've done it. You can just see here that stitch is slanting in that direction. It's opposite to K2 tog. So when you SSK, the stitches slant in that direction. When you K2 tog, they slant in that direction. I will link up here to K2 tog so you can see it in closer detail. Here it is. And you'll see it in close detail, but it's really interesting just to take finer details of the knitting and see how you can improve it, make it better. And if you prefer doing SKPO, you make your own decision and you continue doing SKPO. Or you just say, I'm completely lost, I will just follow what it says on the pattern and that's enough for me. Then do that, that's fine. But personally, I prefer SSK. There we are. Well, I hope that was helpful for you. If you've been knitting along, then you've gone across your row and you now know SSK and you can repeat it over and over again. I really love SSK because it's a great alternative to SKPO, which I also have a video all about. The thing with SKPO is that the stitches aren't knitted in a very same way. One of them is slipped and one of them is knitted. When it comes to SSK, they're both used in the same way. We're slipping and then we're knitting them together. So it looks like a more even decrease, more like an opposite to knit two together. So I really do like SSK as an alternative to SKPO. And now personally, I tend to use SSK whenever I see SKPO in a pattern. So think about that for yourself and make a decision. You don't have to make a decision now, but maybe that's what you'd like to do in the future too. Now, I promised you an option to find all of that jargon demonstrated in one place, and that is click the link in the description below, I have a download for you. It's a PDF, so you can look at it on your smartphone, on a tablet, even on a computer, if you have a desktop. And you just need to look at that download whenever you're getting stuck and click on the link for the abbreviation that you need. Click on the link in the description below. You'll be able to sign up for that PDF. When I've finished this little run of jargon videos on YouTube, which is going to be in March 2019, I mean, if it's after 2019, then hey ho, it's all ready and waiting for you. But we're doing quite a few videos all about jargon. Only a couple of weeks left, but when I finish that run, if you're all signed up for that specific PDF, I will send it to you in an email, and you'll have all of those links all in one place, all on one document. You haven't got to go and check Google every time you want to find something out. And you can bet I am going to be sending you updates as I do more and more jargon videos. So keep in touch for that. And that's the big point about this. If you subscribe and hit the little bell for notifications, you will know when I'm doing more jargon videos, and I will organise an update for that PDF whenever I do that. Okay, bye for now. I'll see you again soon. Happy knitting.